I watched the video tutorial about how to insert a tampon, and now it's not comfortable at all. I don't feel comfortable because I use this one. I prefer this one. It makes really comfortable for me. I've been using this for a year now, and for this I feel really comfortable. I promise, comfortable than the tampon. And I will take it out later, the tampon, and I will replace with this. Really uncomfortable for me, the tampon. It's really uncomfortable for me, the tampon. So hi, see you later. This one, see you later, my cup. Dinner, pizza while watching Talamasca and wine. See, very clear. Good night.